Have you ever stopped to wonder about the humble syringe? We see them all the time in hospitals, clinics, and vaccination centers, but how are these crucial medical tools actually made? Today, we're going on a fascinating journey to uncover the high-tech, precision-driven process behind the production of a modern medical syringe. Let's start with the basics. A syringe is made up of three main parts: the barrel, the plunger, and the needle. The design process begins digitally, with engineers creating precise 3D models of each component. This ensures every part will fit and function together perfectly. The materials used are just as important as the design. The barrel and plunger are typically made from medical-grade plastics like polypropylene or polyethylene, chosen for their strength, clarity, and safety. The tiny gasket on the plunger tip is made of medical-grade rubber to create a perfect seal. And of course, the needle is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, renowned for its durability and resistance to corrosion. It all starts with raw materials: plastic pellets ready to be melted and stainless steel coils waiting to be transformed. Next, we move to the factory floor, where the magic of manufacturing begins. The plastic pellets are fed into massive injection molding machines. Under intense heat and pressure, the molten plastic is injected into precision-engineered molds to form the syringe barrels and plungers. As they cool, robotic arms swiftly move them to the next station. Here, automated printers apply the crisp, clear measurement lines you see on the side of every syringe. Any rough edges are then trimmed and polished for a perfectly smooth finish. Simultaneously, the needles are being created with incredible precision. Long coils of stainless steel wire are pulled and stretched through a series of dies, thinning them down into extremely fine, hollow tubes. Then comes the most critical step: sharpening. Automated grinders, often using electrochemical processes, create an ultra-sharp, beveled tip. This multifaceted point is designed to minimize pain and tissue damage during injection. After being thoroughly cleaned and polished, the newly formed needle is securely attached to its plastic hub. Now it's time for assembly. This entire process takes place in a highly controlled environment called a clean room. The air is filtered to remove even the tiniest dust particles, and workers wear full-body protective suits to prevent any contamination. On a sophisticated assembly line, robotic arms work with lightning speed and accuracy. They flawlessly combine the barrel, insert the rubber-tipped plunger, and attach the needle assembly. Each syringe is tested along the way for a smooth gliding motion and a perfect airtight seal. But the journey isn't over yet. Even though the syringes were assembled in a clean room, they must be completely sterilized before they can be used. There are two primary methods for this. The first is using ethylene oxide, or EO gas, which permeates the packaging and sterilizes every surface of the syringe without damaging the plastic. The second method involves exposing the packaged syringes to gamma radiation, which effectively eliminates any microorganisms. Both methods are carefully controlled to ensure absolute sterility. Before any syringe leaves the factory, it must pass a rigorous quality control inspection. Automated vision systems scan each one, looking for microscopic cracks, bubbles, or printing errors. Samples from each batch are also put through a series of mechanical tests. These tests measure the force needed to move the plunger, confirm the airtightness of the seal, and even test the sharpness and strength of the needle. Finally, the approved syringes are individually sealed in sterile, tamper-evident packaging. High-speed machines print essential information on each package, like the batch number, expiration date, and often a QR code for traceability. From here, they are boxed, shipped, and delivered to medical professionals around the world. So the next time you see a syringe, remember the incredible journey it has taken. Behind this simple device lies a world of advanced engineering, robotic precision, and uncompromising quality control, all working together to safeguard our health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey into manufacturing as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.